Ray-Ban Meta 3 smart glasses just leaked with insane AI upgrades, longer battery, object recognition, and 2 sleek styles. Ready for the future? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking the Ray-Ban Meta 3's leaked AI features and designs. Meta's next-gen Ray-Ban Meta 3 smart glasses are coming in 2 styles: Aperol for sunglasses fans and Bellini for prescription lens users. Leaked by XR Research Institute on WeChat, these glasses promise a major upgrade over the 2 million selling Ray-Ban Meta line. The Meta 3's live AI can run for hours, not just 30 minutes, thanks to a beefier battery. Expect real-time object recognition, scene understanding, and even facial recognition or reminders for forgotten items like keys. These features make the glasses a daily game changer. Aperol rocks a bold, classic Ray-Ban sunglasses look, perfect for outdoor adventures. Bellini's optical design supports prescription lenses, ideal for everyday wear. Unlike current models with universal lens options, these are tailored for specific needs. With 12-megapixel cameras, open-ear audio, and smarter AI, the Ray-Ban Meta 3 could redefine wearables. X-users are buzzing, calling it a must-have for tech fans. Priced around $300 to $500, it's a step up from Oakley Meta, but no HUD like the $1,000 plus Meta Celeste. Launch rumors are split. Some say late 2025, others point to 2026. Meta Connect on September 17th might tease more. These glasses could set the stage for Meta's AR future, so stay tuned for updates. Aperol or Bellini? Which Ray-Ban Meta 3 style is your vibe? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.